Hi all, welcome back to the new session of MS Excel 365 formula series. My name is Sachin and in this video we are going to discuss a new different formula that is called LEN. Compared to our last videos, this formula is also like text formula. First we'll see the description of this formula, what it says, and after that we will see the practical uses of this formula. So let's start guys. The length formula says returns the number of characters in a text string. So basically, by putting this formula, we will be able to derive the particular letters or characters in a particular text string. So we'll try to put this formula, press tab, and inverted comma start. For example, I'm putting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, whatever it is. And see, I'm getting the results of 7. So basically, this text contains 7 letters. So, although it is a number, but if we are putting some numeric value into the inverted comma, then it will count it as a text value. Actually, it is not like that. If we are giving number also, then also it will give you the length of the character. If I am putting 1, 2, 3, and it will give 3 also. So this is the basic simple uses of this formula. We'll see the other things also. For example, in front of you, this is the application of the length formula that we are going to discuss. I'm putting this formula here, press enter, and I'm dragging it down. Control D, and here also I can put the formula text so that we can see the what the formula that we kept here. So press enter and drag it down. So in the first cell, if you see, I have written the fruits, and fruits itself contains 6 character, and the formula also giving the 6 character. But in the another word, I have kept one space also in front of fruits, so that's why it is keeping, it is giving me the seventh character. In the same way, if I'm giving the space behind or at the last also, still it is giving the seventh character. On the other way around, I have written the California, comma space US. So it will be consider the comma and space also. And one more thing, if we are giving the character in a small case, lower case, it is avoiding case sensitive character. And in the inception of this video, I have shown to you like numeric character also it will consider as a character only. And one more thing, if we are giving any space cell like blank cell, then in that scenario it will consider on the result as 0, and so on like guys. And in the last cell, if you see, I have written minus 25.52. So the characters itself contain minus sign also. So negative, minus or negative sign, it is considering both like dot also and minus sign also. So this is the like basic uses of this formula, how we can put. In the next example, we have this comparison of name length. For example, in the one column we have group one, and in the another column we have group two, where the name has been written. So if someone wants to compare the length of their name and want to check like this, the length of these both groups like in the respective manner are same or not, how we can put this formula? We can simply put length and give the character bracket close for first one, and press equal to, and then press again length formula, and for the another character we can give that, and we can drag it down. So here we are getting the results like for Roberto and Isabel, and Hunter and Molly, the results are not coming like that. But as we are discussing this MS Excel 365 formulas, we'll not try to put this formula like that. We'll simply try to put like that. We'll select all the range equal to len and drag it down. So I'm getting spell error. Simply I can delete this one in a single go. I can put this formula. No need to drag it down like we had done previously. And This is very dynamic also. Like if I'm putting one, it will show false and all. And we are jumping to the next example also. For example, in front of you, this is the text, basically the string it has been given. This formula will work on the word also and the string also. So in simple way I can put formula and I'm getting the character. So this is very simple, like basic it is. Now jumping to the next thing, if in front of you this is the string, but the string is very different. Like in the second one I have kept one extra space, in the third one I have kept extra space at last, and in the fourth one I have kept the space at the both corner. So if I want to know the character without any space, so how can I get it? For this I need to take the help of trim formula. What trim formula says, it will remove the extra space from a string except for a single space between the words. So basically, if the space are around a particular string at the beginning or last, it will remove those spaces. We can simply drag it down, and we can blend this formula with length formula and drag it down. If I'm simply putting this left formula for this cell, the result would be like that: 32, 33, and 34. So by putting or by blending this formula with trim, we can get our output very easily. Now jumping to the very advanced uses of this formula. For example, someone wants the ID of this list. In front of you, this is the basic the ID, name, and the price of particular products and all. So if someone wants the ID before dash, how they can get? For this, I think we need to take the help of uh, two or three formula search. If I'm putting search within the text, what I'm getting six. So basically, it is capturing the first dash in a particular character. One, two, three, four, five, and at the sixth place, this dash is placed. And now, if we are deducting minus from 8, we are getting 5 character. Okay, and along with that, if I'm putting this left formula for b5 and want to get the 5 characters, I will get the length like the id double one triple five. So in that manner we can put this length formula. Ideally, like there is no logic behind, like we are putting this length formula. By putting this search formula also we can get our results very easily. But just to see like how we can blend this formula with another, so that's why we are putting. See, we are getting all true and true. So this was some like advanced uses of this length formula, guys. We can blend with this formula with another formulas also, based on your analysis and all, and your work. So this was all about this video, guys. Hope you like the session. Keep like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. And stay tuned for the next video. We'll get back to you. Thank you.